Oh boy. Okay. Hi guys. Hi ho, welcome to the show. I'm your host Ben, and this is all about Ben. Today we are going to be working on this. Let me flip you around here. We're going to be working on my 91 GMC Suburban. It's winter, it's cold, and batteries, they die. And I'm tired of having to keep jumping her, so I'm going to be installing one of these today. It's a very simple video. All you gotta do is attach this to here. Very simple. So I'm gonna get you guys in the cradle and then we're gonna get going. So give me 1 second. Okay, very simple. Get your wrench. Sure it's going the right way. If not, okay. Got some bad weather coming in this week. Tomorrow we're supposed to get like 10 inches of snow this weekend. And for the next 10 days it's gonna be freezing. Which is gonna suck. So I wanna get out here and do this real fast. Very simple. Disconnect the negative, and then we're going to insert this guy. This is really nice. I like on, off. Bought this off of Amazon. I'll have a link in the description for you guys. Green is on, red is off. So nice. Nice on off switch. So simply gonna add this. Actually, I'm gonna take that off too. Okay. So I have my hands in the way. You guys can't see probably. I gotta tighten that down. Find a socket for it. Okay. Very simple. Hopefully this will save my battery. I try to start her up every week or so, but in the winter months, just going a week, it's dead. Wrong way back. It's really loose. Okay, there you go. Alright, there's that. You just attach this to this side. Hopefully I got enough room. Okay. Not the washer on. Guys, more focus of what we're doing here. Sorry about that. Okay guys, that is installed. I'm gonna jump it, and then when you guys come back, this thing will be running. Alright everybody, the truck is running. Yep. Simple switch out. Couple fun facts about this. So this truck is a 91 Suburban, GMC Suburban. GMC Suburban, 350 V8. Fun fact about older cars, guys, if you want to check your alternator, you're supposed to be charging your battery. You want to check to make sure that your alternator is actually working. When the truck is running or the vehicle is running, you would just undo the negative end. And if the car died, that's how you knew your alternator was bad. I'm not going to do that now and everything because I want to charge that battery. Some more fun facts about my truck here. This is the construction type. So here's the focus. I can't get the focus. There you go. Sorry guys. Okay, so right there, it's a little notch, and here's a little notch that says lock. So when you turn the vehicle off, that and that has to be lined up perfectly. Otherwise, you're going to drain your battery. Another fun fact I have is I can take the key out. Oops, sorry, the steering wheel. I can take the key out, lock the doors, and walk away and let this run for an hour. This is my dad's GMC Suburban, and I am working on her, trying to restore some. She needs a wash, I know, I'm sorry. But it's winter. I've got a couple more build videos I'm going to do about her and everything, so let's get back out of the truck so you can see her. Old school, I like it. Yep, that's my baby. Thank you all for tuning in and watching. I appreciate you. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Yes, comment. Always comment. Let me know that I'm not just talking to a camera here. And I will see you all later. Wait, don't go, guys. I jumped the gun. Yeah. Truck's been running for about an hour and a half now, building up that battery. I want to go ahead and show you guys the alternator trick. So, alternator. Sorry, the trick to fix your alternator. So the idea is you want to do the battery while the car is running. If the truck or car dies, the alternator is bad. Well, in this instance, I'm just going to turn off the switch here, and if the truck dies, then the alternator is bad. Switch is off, the truck's still running, which means this alternator is still good. So that's good at least. Alright, I'm going to put that back on so it continues to charge. Just want to show you guys that. Sorry, I jumped the gun on the end there. So, once again, please like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you guys next time.